I m comma n equal to integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Sin power mx into cos power nx dx equal to m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n, m minus 1 by m plus n into I m minus 2 comma n, or n minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2, I m comma n minus 2, whereas m comma n are integers, whereas m comma n are integers greater than or equal to 2. M and n are positive integers. M minus 1 by m plus n I m minus 2 comma n, or n minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2. Okay, for example, problem number 1, page number 292. Page number 292. Problem number 1. Evaluate the following definite integrals. First one, integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 cos power 5. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 5x dx. I m comma n sin power 4 cos power 5x dx. I m comma n. Here m equal to 4, n equal to 5. M equal to 4, n equal to 5. Formula is n minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2. That is m comma n, 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 4 I 4 comma 5 minus 2 3, 5 minus 2 3. Next 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 4, again m comma n, 4 comma 3, 3 minus 1 by 3 plus 4 into I 4 comma 3 minus 2, that is 1. Next, that becomes integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 5x dx equal to 4 by 9 into 2 by 7 into I 4 comma 1, that is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4 cos x dx. Sin power 4 cos x dx, that is 8 by 63 f of x power n into f dash x, sin x divided by cos x, that is f of x plus n plus 1, f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 0 to pi by 2. 8 by 63 sin pi by 1 by 5 minus 0. 8 by 5 3 is 15, 31. 8 by 315. That is integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x into cos power 5x dx. That means sin power m cos power n dx, that is n minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2, or m minus 1 by m plus n I m minus 2 comma n. Here m is 4, n equal to 5, that is n minus 1 by m plus n, 5 minus 1 by 5 plus 4 into I 4 comma 3. Next 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 3 I 4 comma 3 minus 2, 1 I 4 comma 1, that is 4 by 9 into 2 by 7 sin power 4 into cos x, f of x power n into f dash x. That implies f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, 0 to pi by 2. Upper limit minus lower limit. That is 8 by 63 into 1 by 5. 8 by 315. Okay. Next, similarly, second one, third one is integral 0 to pi by 2. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. Sin power 6x cos power 4x dx. That is same formula, m minus 1 by m plus n, I m minus 2 comma n, or n minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 1 by m plus n, I m comma n minus 2. That is 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 6, I 6 comma 2, 6 comma 2. That is 2 minus 1 by 2 plus I 6 comma 2, 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 6. Next I 6 comma 2 minus 2, I naught, I 6 comma 0. That is 3 by 10, 1 by 8 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 6x dx. Sin power 6x dx. Then reduction formula, in formula. Here n is even. Even means last term pi by 2. That is 3 by 10, 1 by 8, n minus 1 by n, 6 minus 1 by 6, in minus 2, 6 minus 2, 4. Next 4 minus 1 by 4, I 2. That means 2 minus 1 by 2. That is pi by 2. Last term 3 by 10, 1 by 8, 5 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. That is 3 ones, 3 twos, 3 twos, and 5 3s 15 pi by 2 4s 8 to 16 32 80, 32 into 80, 2560, 15 pi. That is 5 times 5 3 by 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 2s, 3 pi by 12 cos power sin power 6x into cos power 4x. That is reduction formula including sin and cos. That is sin power m into cos power n. That is 3 pi by 512. I m comma n formula. N minus 1 by m plus n, I m comma n minus 2. That is m is 6, n equal to 4. 6 minus 1 by 4 plus 6, I 6 comma 2. Next 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 6, I 6 comma 0, I 6 sin power 6. Sin power 6 means n minus 1 by n, I n minus 2. Formula applies. Okay, that is 3 pi by 512. Next, problem number 2. Find integral 0 to 2 pi sin power 4x, sin power 4x cos power 6x dx. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin power 4x cos power 6x dx. That is f of x equal to sin power 4x cos power 6x. Sin power 4x cos power 6x. That is f of 2 pi minus x. Sin power 4 0 to 2a, f of 2a minus x cos power 6 2 pi minus x. Fourth quadrant, cos positive, sin negative, but power even, therefore all positives, equal to f of x. Therefore this value becomes 2 into 0 to pi sin power 4x cos power 6x dx. Again f of x equal to sin power 4x cos power 6x dx. F of next pi minus x, sin power 4 pi minus x cos power 6 pi minus x sin power 4x cos power 6x. That is f of pi minus x, f of x. Therefore problem becomes 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 4x cos power 6x. 4 into integral 0 to pi by 2, that is I m comma n. I m comma n. N minus 1 by, that is 6 minus 1 by 6 plus 4 sin power 4 comma 4. That is 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 4 2. 4 comma 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 4 4 comma 0 sin power 4. 4 minus 1 by 4 2. 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2. That is 4 into 5 by 10 into 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2 and pi by 2. 4 into 5 by 10, 3 by 8, 1 by 6, 3 by 4, 1 by 2, pi by 2. 3 twos, 5 twos, 3 twos, 5 twos, 5 twos. 2 to 4, 4 twos 8, 8 into 8, 64 into 2, 128. 3 pi by 128. 3 pi by 128. Integral 0 to 2 pi sin power 4x into cos power 6x dx equal to f of x equal to sin power 4x cos power 6x, f of 2 pi minus x equal to f of x. Therefore 2 into 0 to a f of x dx, again f of 2a minus x equal to f of x, that is 2 into already 2, 2 into 2, 0 to 2 pi by 2 sin power 4 into cos power 6x. I m comma n, that is n minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2. That is problem number 2. Next, problem number 3, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos power 4x. That's number 293. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Sin square x into cos power 4x dx. Here minus a to a. Minus a to a means even or odd. Both powers even. Therefore, this function is even function. Sin of minus x minus sin x. Of course, power even positive. Cos of minus x plus cos x. Even. Therefore, 2 into integral 0 to a sin power square x cos power 4x dx. 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square x into cos power 4x. That is I m comma n, that is n minus 1 by m plus n into I2 comma 2, 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2, I2, 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2. That is 2 into 3 by 6 into 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 into pi by 2. 2 cancel, 3 2, 2 4 8 to 8 2 16. Pi by 16. Integral g minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sin square x cos power 4x. This function is even. Therefore 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. I m comma n, n minus 1 by m plus n into I m n minus 2. N minus 1 by m plus n into I m comma n minus 2. N minus 1 by m plus into pi by 2, last term, because n is even. That is pi by 16. Next, fourth one. Find integral 0 to pi x into sin power 7x into cos power 6x. Find integral 0 to pi x into sin power 7 into cos power 6x dx. X into sin power 7 into cos power 6x dx. Okay. Now pi minus x, integral 0 to a f of a minus x. This part let I equal to integral 0 to pi minus x sin power 7 pi minus x cos power 6 pi minus x dx. Pi minus x positive, cos pi minus power even positive. Therefore, integral 0 to pi minus x sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. Multiplying, we get I equal to pi into integral 0 to pi sin power 7x cos power 6x dx minus integral 0 to pi x into sin power 7x cos power 6x dx. This part is I minus I. Transfer to left side, then it becomes I plus I 2i. 2i equal to pi into sin pi minus x, positive, sin pi minus cos pi minus positive. Therefore 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 7x cos power 6x dx minus I plus I 2i 2 pi I m comma n. Again m comma n, that is n minus 1 by n plus m 7 comma 4 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 7 4 minus 2 2 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 7 7 sin power 7 n minus 1 by n formula 7 minus 1 by 7 5 minus 1 by 5 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1 3 minus 1 by 3 into 1. Okay, that is 2 to cancel. I equal to pi into 5 by 13 3 by 13 11 1 by 9 6 by 7 4 by 5 and 2 by 3. That is integral 0 to pi sin power 7x cos power 6x. 3 cancel, 3 2s 3 3 3 3 cancel, 3 2s 3 3 5 5 cancel. Enough. 8 16 pi by 3003 16 pi by 3003. That is integral 0 to pi x into sin power 7x into cos power 6x dx. Integral 0 to pi, that means a minus x. We can apply a minus x, that is pi into sin power 7 cos power 6, pi into sin power 7 cos power 6, x into sin power 7 cos power 6, I minus I plus I, 2i equal to 2 pi 0 to pi by 2 I m comma n. I m comma n equal to m comma n, n minus 1 by m plus n, I m comma n minus 2. That is m minus 1 by m plus n, I m comma n minus 6 minus 2 4, n becomes 4, 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 7, 4 minus 2 2, n becomes 2, 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 7, remaining part sin power 7. Sin power 7 means from reduction formula n minus 1 by n, I n minus 2, 5, 5 minus 1 by 5 3, 3 minus 1 by 3 into n is odd, therefore last term into 1, that becomes 16 pi by 3003. 5. Find integral minus a to a, integral minus a to a x square into a square minus x square power 3 by 2, x square into a square minus x square power 3 by 2 minus a to a. That means even or odd, power even, even, even. Therefore 2 into integral 0 to a x square into a square minus x square power 3 by 2 dx, because even. Okay, now put x equal to a sin theta, because a square minus a square sin square theta, 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta. That implies dx equal to a cos theta d theta. Next, lower limit x equal to 0, that implies theta equal to sin inverse 0 0. Upper limit x equal to a, that implies theta equal to sin inverse 1 pi by 2. Therefore, minus a to a x square minus x square power 3 by 2 dx equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 a square sin square theta a square minus a square sin square theta power 3 by 2 a cos theta d theta. Whereas dx equal to a cos theta d theta, that is a square a cube 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta a square common out a square power 3 by 2 a cube 1 minus sin square theta cos square theta power 3 by 2 cos theta d theta. A cube a power 6 integral 0 to pi by 2 cos cube cos power 4 sin square theta cos power 4 theta d theta. A square common out a square power 3 by 2, that is a cube into already a cube a power 6 sin square theta cos square theta power 3 by 2 cos cube into cos power 4 I m comma n, that is n minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 I 2 comma 2 2 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 sin square 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2, that is 2a power 6 3 by 6 1 by 4 1 by 2 and pi by 2. 3 2 times 2 to cancel, that is pi a power 6 by 16 pi a power 6 by 16, that is integral minus a to a x square into a square minus x square power 3 by 2. Here x square even function, therefore 2 into integral 0 to a f of x dx. Put x equal to a sin theta, that is dx equal to a cos theta d theta, dx equal to a cos theta d theta. Lower limit x equal to 0, that implies theta equal to 0. Upper limit x equal to 0, that is theta equal to pi by 2. Therefore 2 into 0 to pi by 2 x square a square sin square theta a square minus a square sin square theta dx equal to a cos theta d theta. That implies 2 into a power 6 sin power square theta cos power 4 theta d theta. I m comma n, m minus 1 by m plus n I m minus 2, m minus 1 by m plus n I m comma n minus 2. Next n minus 1 by n is even pi by 2 last term, that is pi into a power 6 by 16. Similarly, problem 6, integral 0 to 1 x power 3 by 2 square root of 1 minus x, put x equal to sin square theta. Next, exercise 7c, first Roman, page number 295, first Roman. First one, find integral 0 to pi by 2 sin power 10x dx, that is n minus 1 by n, that is 10 minus 1 by 10 8 minus 1 by 8 6 minus 1 by 6 4 minus 1 by 4 2 minus 1 by 2 pi by 2, because even, that is 9 by 10 7 by 8 5 by 6 3 by 4 1 by 2 pi by 2. 3 times 3 twos. Okay, next 5 twos, 3 twos. enough. 63 pi by 1632 into 16. 63 pi by 512. That is integral 0 to pi by 2 sine power 10x dx. Here formula is n minus 1 by n in minus 2. Where n is even, last term becomes pi by 2. Where n is odd, last term becomes 1. Here n is even. N is even. Therefore, last term pi by 2. N minus 1 by n into n minus 1 by n and so on pi by 2. That is 63 pi by 512. 63 pi by 1632. Okay, 512.